Today is Sunday, July 8th. The time is 9:32 a.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2011-2012 Panini Titanium Hockey Break, break number 3. This break is sponsored by DCS Sports Cards. www.dcsportscards.com. Good luck, everybody. Capitals, Nicholas Backstrom. Capitals again, Alex Ovechkin. Game worn gear, Penguins, James Neal jersey. Penguins again, Chris Letang. Canucks, Ryan Kessler. Wild, Mikko Koivu. Game worn gear, dual jersey, serial number 11 out of 100. Chicago Blackhawks, Patrick Sharp, Marian Hossa. Kings, Anze Kopitar. Oilers, Alice Hemsky. Jets, Andre Pellick. Private signings, Rangers, Adam Graves, autograph. Red Wings, Nicholas Lindstrom. Avalanche, Jean-Sebastien Giguère. We have a gold card, serial number 9 out of 10, Maple Leafs, Dion Phaneuf. Avalanche, dual prime patch, autograph, serial number 24 out of 25, Eric Johnson. Lightning, Martin St. Louis. And the last pack, Lightning, Vincent Lecavalier. Rangers, Brad Richards. Game worn gear, Flames, Jay Boomister. And the last card, Hurricanes, Jeff Skinner. Thank you, everybody, for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. I have another box of Panini Titanium Hockey, also listed for 2011 football. Ending today, I have Panini Gold Standard Football 2011, also listed for 2011 football box breaks. Prime Signatures. I do have 2000 and Panini Playbook for 2011, for 2012 football box breaks, Bowman Signatures. And for Major League Baseball, ending today, I have the brand new SP Signatures Edition, along with 2012 Topps Tier 1 Baseball. And for basketball, I have the brand new 2011-12 Panini Limited.